Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Mobile Legends account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Here, go to Account option. Then tap on Account Center option. Here, tap on Device Management option. Here you can see Logout All button, tap on it. Then tap on Confirm button. So that is how you can log out of Mobile Legends account. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.